Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create an account with Artstor, which is one of our new article databases that curates images spanning all different types of disciplines, from art to anthropology, archaeology, and art history. To use Artstor and save images, you will need to create an account. So the first step will be to go to the Heartland Library website. Under our Research tab, you'll see these drop-downs that give you access to the different databases that we have. So you're going to go to Article Databases, select the drop-down, and find Artstor. Click on this, and this will open up the Artstor homepage. From here, you will click the Register button, and you have to make sure that you are using the campus network. So whether that's through the link that you have found on the Heartland website, or if you are using the internet on campus. So click Register and fill out all these information questions. So your email address, create a password, select your role at institution. I'm going to select college or university librarian, but for yours it's most likely college, university, undergraduate student. And then select your academic department. I'm going to select Other since the library serves all kinds of academic studies. And then I will check I agree to Artstor digital library terms. If you'd like to receive updates from them, you can check this as well, but I'm going to check it. I'm going to leave it unchecked, sorry. Then select Register, and that's it. You're all set. You have an account with Artstor. And so if I was to search for Greek vases, and I select an image, I am now able to download this for further research. And there I have it. That's it. If you have any more questions about Artstor or any of the databases that we have available, don't hesitate to contact us through Ask a Librarian. Have a great day.